Creating a signature. When you create a new email, it's possible to have a signature down at the bottom of your email. Rather than having to put in a signature every time, you can create a signature and then attach it as the default signature for each email. When you open an email, on the Message tab, there's an option called Signature. If you already have a signature, it will be listed here. To create a signature, click on the word Signatures. Here we can create a brand new signature by clicking on the New button. The first thing we need to do is to give a name to the signature. So for example, you might type in the word work. Now underneath, I'm going to type in the signature that I would like to use at the end of all of my work emails. So for example, I might have kind regards to keep it formal enough, and then maybe our full name. And underneath then you might have the company name and an address, an email, a phone number, etc. You can highlight information here and you can go in and change the size of the text. You can go in and change the color of the text and so on. Once you're done with the signature, you can simply press Save. So now we have a work signature. You can go and add more signatures by clicking on New again, typing in the name for this signature. So let's say, for example, I type in the word personal and press OK. And now down here, for example, I might decide to type in a less formal signature. Again, I can highlight the text, I can increase or decrease its size, and I can go in and change its color. Once you're done, again, press Save. On the right-hand side here, it'll ask you to choose the default signature for all new messages, and you've a choice of the signatures that you've built. So my work signature is going to be my default signature, and for any replies or forwards, currently the signature is none, but I can add one of these as the default for replies and forwards as well. Once you're finished here, then you can press the OK button. So now I'm going to close down this email and add a brand new email again. So clicking on New Email, I can now see my work signature coming up as my default signature. If you want to change to your less formal signature, simply go to the Signature drop-down menu and change to another signature name. So if I go to Personal, I can see that it replaces the old signature with the new one. Or if I go back to the work signature here, I can see the change happening again. Just make sure when you're typing in the message that you're always typing in above the signature. Your signature should always be the last thing in an email.